And we're going to do this. Hi guys, welcome to my toolbox. This is going to be Timmy's toolbox tour. So, this is my toolbox. Snap On EPIQ with the extra cupboards. I'll give you the size reading.
Tape measure that.
So that's a 84 inch with extension to 115 inch, which is 2 meters 90 by 94 inches or 2 meters 40. Whoa, big toolbox.
Plus the little one.
Oh, I've got the little one, plus the little. Okay, so everybody does a toolbox tour. We're going to need to use the extra cam here. So these are the main use drawers. So all the sockets in there. We've got 3/8 sockets, Torx bits, the quarter drives, the bigger impacts at the back, torque wrenches, the electronic torque wrenches there. There's 2 of those, and there's 2 of the manual ones. This is a good tool. This is the angle driver, so you can drive down through like that.
Which is not Snap-on.
No, that's a Mac tool. That's a Mac tool. Next drawer, all the spanners. Wobble heads. And then just spanners really, bigger ones at the back there. Screwdrivers in here. Obviously Aiden's been in here because that belongs there. Pry bars and jemmies. Torx bits and Allen keys. Drill bits, grinding bits, taps, dies, that sort of thing in there. Junk drawer, but look, genuine timing light. And a carburetor adjusting kit there. Right, we've got pliers there, sets of. These are quite good, the angle ones. Some Imperial spanners at the back there. Don't use them often. Land Rovers tend to use them a bit. Brake fluid and antifreeze testers there, compression tester. That's just a kit, just don't even go there. This is going to be measuring stuff and that, so it was going to be measuring bits and pieces, a bit more precision in there, but I was going to put timing kits in there as well. Drawer of junk. Yeah, I think we'll just shut that drawer. Right, we start coming to the sets now. There's things like impact set there, brake wind back kit, what do we got? Thermometer, terminal release kit there, oil filter kit. Vacuum pressure bleeding kit. There's oxygen sensor and glow plug kit there. Volkswagen wheel hub kit for doing the hub bolts. This is the curly whirly drawer. Aidan gets all excited when he goes for a pen in this one. I can see he's been for a pen. Tyre pressure monitoring. That's for activating the TPS sensors. UV light for aircon. Electric drawer. So we got snap-on light, snap-on ratchet, snap-on drill. What's that one? Snap-on polisher. Then the guns, wheel nut guns, Milwaukee, the beast, the Milwaukee. This is the apprentice killing drawer. So things that you can hit the apprentice with. And then just the junk drawer. Polishing cloth so that Aidan can polish my toolbox. Aye. Breakfast. We have breakfast. So we got the cupboard there. This is going to have all my electrical stuff in. EV. Got snap-on scanner boxes there. Don't know what the yellow kit is. Taps and dies. What's that box? Oh, Mac. Torx kit. Big sockets there. And I don't know what, oh, that's a puller kit in the bottom there. And that's my breakfast. Well done, guys. So that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe.